Getting Rich Your Own Way, Achieve All Your Financial Goals Faster Than You Ever Thought Possible is a book by Brian Tracy that provides strategies for achieving financial success. The book is designed for individuals who want to improve their financial situation and achieve their financial goals faster. In the book, Tracy discusses the importance of setting specific and achievable financial goals and provides strategies for developing a plan to achieve them. He also emphasizes the role of personal responsibility and self-discipline in achieving financial success and advises readers to take control of their financial lives and make proactive decisions to improve their financial situation. Tracy also covers the importance of continuous learning and personal development, and suggests that successful individuals are always seeking new knowledge and skills. He also discusses the importance of networking and building relationships with others, and advises readers to surround themselves with successful and supportive individuals. Overall, Getting Rich Your Own Way is a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial situation and achieve their financial goals. It offers practical advice and strategies for achieving financial success, and provides a roadmap for achieving financial goals faster.